Welcome to my channel. Is your Android phone running slow? Let me show you two hidden settings to instantly clear RAM, which is random access memory, and storage, and make your phone faster in seconds. First, let's clear the RAM. That's the memory app used while running. Open Settings, tap Device Care, tap Memory. You may find some apps are underneath the Clean Now. Tap Clean Now. You can see the memory is cleaning. Now let's clear storage. That's your phone's actual space. Open Setting, tap Device Care, tap Storage. Here you can clear videos which you don't need, images, installation files, documents, recycle bin, and unused apps. These actions delete junk file, cache, and hidden trash. Just these two settings can shock you with how much faster your Android feels. Try it now and thank me later. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and subscribe. See you in the next one.